The Powermatic 15-inch planer features a helical cutter head that provides smoother cutting and a finer finish than conventional knives. 3 V-belts transfer maximum power from the 3-horsepower motor to the cutter head, allowing you to perform a variety of smoothing and leveling functions for your woodworking projects. In this example, we'll be demonstrating how to bring a warped board down to smooth. Begin by adjusting the planer table to the desired depth by turning the hand wheel. You can view the depth gauge to ensure you're at the appropriate thickness for your board. Move your board through the planer with slow movement and consistent pressure until it is passed all the way through. Continue making micro adjustments to the depth by turning the hand wheel and then running your board through the planer until you have achieved your desired thickness and the board is smooth. Learn more about the Powermatic 15-inch planer on our website. And don't forget that your tool comes with an industry-leading warranty. If you need any service or repair, one of our authorized Powermatic service centers can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.